Hello friends, very good evening, and this video is for my advanced option strategy student who are already completed our advanced option strategies. So this is what a one-time sheet where we are going to plan a trade based on our strategy. So the update for the month of August is updated right now. So those who are my students, you can make use of this sheet. And top 15 stocks also we have selected for a directional strategy. So when it given a directional opportunity, we may be going to use our hedging strategies or any of the strategy which we can use it. And this stock which I am just finding out based on the volatility. So and then maybe we are expecting there is a upside movement or a downside movement. I'm not predicting the direction. I'm just expecting the stocks may be a volatile for a next 1 month. Okay, so from this stocks, if it is given an opportunity based on the concept, so we can also take an opportunity. And some of the strike prices and the closing prices of this particular particular options like call and put which are generated. And profit percentage also we are mentioned and also be the IVP. So we are looking for an IVP. So these are all the stocks, only few stocks this month. And on last month we have a huge number of stocks because of due to results. Maybe the IV can increase. We will be getting a lot of directional opportunities this month, either the upside or a downside. Maybe if you are looking for a directional, so this non-directional, maybe from this top five stocks, you can select any one of them. So with good liquid and quality. So and apart from that, we can look for a profit percentage basis. So we have a India Cements that is having a slightly low liquid and the put price is slightly vary. So let me check that. So because of the liquidity issue, let me check that what is the exact price on this. 365 in India SIM 365 call, and the call closing price is 7.3. So where you can see in India SIM 365 put option currently 2.5. So maybe this one is happening due to that low liquidity on this particular strike price. So before taking these are all the normal. So only this India Cement. So having the low liquidity, instead of that India SIM 370, if you are looking at, this is also very low liquidity. It's 2.75, and India SIM 370 call option, and we are looking at a call option and the put option that would be around 5.5. There is a gap and there is a low liquidity on that, and remaining stocks like McDowell, TCS, Wipro, and IDFC, Ramco Cements, these are all the stocks having more potential profit. If the stock reaches our expected level, that can be going to give you some good opportunities. So I'll be removing this particular heading. So instead of confusing, so we have August, July, June, May, and April, and this year. Okay. So I removed, and this is in August which you have taken, and 15 stocks only for a directional when it is given you an opportunity. So there's IRCTC Maruti. Okay. So just remove the colors and change it. Yeah. So yes, it is Maruti. So these are all the stocks which I'm just looking for an opportunity. So 16 stocks at this, sorry, 15 stocks at this moment. From that, if it is giving you an opportunity, then you can go for. And based on the high volatility and also with the profit factor, you can fix a stock or predict finding a stock whenever it gives the strategy 5 entry, that will be giving you the trend confirmations. Once you get a trend confirmation, so you can use any of our strategies like strategy 1, 2, 3, or even OTM strategy also you can apply from this stock. But if you are looking at non-directional, only few stocks based on the IIV, and we can plan with that also. So we can filter out with this sheet. And now the complete updated which is happening on for a month of August and last month July. So we have a lot of issues on the sheet. So that's why we can't able to update some of the data for last month. But even some stocks which we have selected, that is working good and well. Okay, just a moment. Okay, so that's why we have a lot of issues and some of the data are not working last month. But even though we have selected some stocks, that is also Maruti. Last month we have taken on BPCL. Sorry, this is what July. Okay, let me check BPCL on July. BPCL, how it works, cash, BPCL, last month which you had selected, because if you had taken any stocks on the last month, everything it works better. So here, this is the day on 3rd June, and next 2 days it was reaching the bottom level because of due to that election result, and mostly, sorry, last month, right? So that one, July, where it is started, 1st of July. So price is 304.7. Exactly, we are mentioning that price 304, and there it went up to today. The maximum peak is 359. What we have expected is somewhere around 333 in the upper side, so that can be achieved. And from this list, so you can use our hedging strategies whenever the strategy 5 triggers, and you can utilize this stock. Same like that, this month I selected these are all the stock. From that also I concerned the liquidity and profit factor, and some other factor which I used to find out this 15 stocks. So if you are looking at for the next month as our advanced option strategy concepts, you can also use the sheet, and it is working right now. So and finally updated full, and all the stocks were I updated, and you can also sort it, and you can find out the stocks. Now I'm saving, and this is top 15 stocks, and I will be marking this color should be top 15 stock for the next month. And this color we are looking at this is a IIV. And this one, okay, high volatile, whatever it may be. So you can utilize it. And one more update on our Google Sheet, the monthly data was also updated. And let me check Google Sheet. Yeah, the monthly data. So it is going to be updated, and you can utilize this for next from tomorrow onwards, because we are using our advanced option strategy, and this is an intraday. So where some of the stocks are not liquid, so it is showing 100. So after 9:30, you can easily able to find out one or two opportunities where it is breaking the Camarilla R4 level. That will be helping you to find out an intraday itself. So that is why we are using this Google Sheet. It is a like a real-time scanner where we find out what are the stocks which breaks the Camarilla R4 level in real time. And monthly positional, it purely works based on our positional concept. So as of now, so the no stocks which is nearing to that our entry point. So whenever it crosses, and we will be getting an opportunity to find out as a positional one. So we updated all the things here, and this is the one-time update for the month of August, and it never changes the strike price and the entry price. But whenever the stock nearing to that level, it will be automatically sorting here, and you will be finding out where we can get an opportunity. And positional basis, even using this Google Sheet also based on our positional concept. So we will try to find 3 to 5 stocks in a month. That's good enough instead of taking 10-15 stocks. But we can easily find out 5 to 10 stocks by using our Google Sheet. And the same like that weekly, which is running from last Monday. So almost 3 days has gone. So these are all the opportunities. While we are updating on Monday, so we don't get a lot of stocks. But now, so a lot of stocks which triggers, and it is giving you some. I think I've seen that is a DLF that was giving you entry 8:30. It's a real time entry DLF 8:30 call option that was giving you real opportunity 49.3. So 2 days back, here is the 49.3 which is triggered on 29th July. So within 3 days it went up to 71. So almost it is achieved our target for an intraday. And one more stock I seen, there is a Asian Paint new trend that is also moves more than 25. Tata Communication 1900 that is also moved, and this is for a purely weekly basis. And today, Maruti, I think it reached on weekly basis. Okay, Maruti 12,600 is the strike price based on the concept. That may be triggered today. So let me, but it is in the closing hours. 12,600 call option we are looking at Maruti, and this is what happening. And but it is a valid entry if you are anyone who are looking at, but it is a 15 minutes close that went up to huge premium, because 700 is our entry, but this may be a invalid entry we can consider. But so what we are expecting, so try to find 3 to 4 opportunities here. Almost 20 signals where it is triggers. I'm not going to take it all the 20 triggers. So from there, I'm just looking for a good liquid and quality stocks. That's good enough. Even BPCL also triggered. and Bajaj Fin 7600, JSW 9910. Maybe next 2 days we can keep holding because we are selected already August month contract. So now weekly also updating right now very perfect, and monthly that we finding new opportunities from tomorrow onwards. So you can apply our strategies either directional hedging or non-directional hedging. So or naked also. It is purely depends on your trade ideas and logics that you can apply on the um, your own. So already if you have finished our advanced option strategy, and anyone who want to learn our positional trading concept, that is an advanced option strategy course. So where you learn some 5 hedging strategies, and there is a one-to-one sessions also available. So if you are looking for that advanced option strategy, I'm just giving you the outline of that course what you are going to learn. So in this course you are just going to learn some 5 different strategies, and this 5 different, 4 are edged one and one is a naked trade. And we are both the strategy which is a directional and a non-directional, both the strategy you can apply here. So directional strategy and non-directional strategy, we are not using any charts, no charts and indicator. It is purely based on the price and calculation we are working on. And if you have one-to-one session, 1 hour to 1.5 hour per session, and total 5 session. The recording courses also available. If you want access the recording also, you can take it. And this is what an update. So for my monthly positional sheet as well as intraday sheet also updated. That is a Google sheet is for a scanner, that is also updated. And intraday that one, sorry, intraday it is available in this Google sheet itself. And this is the monthly IV sheet which is looking for a monthly positional. From that we can select some stocks based on the concept. And this is also be updated. And last month having some data issue, but right now our sheet, Google sheet as well as this things, everything is cleared right now. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for being a patient with me. And Google sheet also, if you want access, you can access with the Google sheet. And thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe. And if you want to learn more about this course, and you can just WhatsApp me on the number which shown on this video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and keep supporting and subscribing the channel. Thank you.